40 gift ideas your girlfriend will adore in 2020. Best of all, they've been repeatedly tested by our team so you know you're buying her a quality product. 1. For the girlfriend who's really into beauty, makeup mirror. 2. For the girlfriend who spends forever getting ready, Revlon One Step Hair Dryer. Get the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer at Amazon starting at $34.88. 3. For the girlfriend who listens to music 24/7, Apple AirPods Pro. 4. For the homebody girlfriend, homesick or anthropology candles. Some of the best you can buy are the Capri Blue Candle, which has thousands of reviews thanks to its long-lasting wick and delicious fragrances, and the Homesick candles, which people love because they're made with nostalgic scents from different states, cities and even memories. 5. For the one who loves to cook, the Always Pan. If your girlfriend loves spending time in the kitchen, she needs this powerhouse piece of cookware in her kitchen. 6. For the girlfriend who always has a book with her, Kindle Paperwhite. 7. For the wine-drinking girlfriend, First Leaf. 8. For the girlfriend who's always stealing your clothes, Lululemon Scuba Hoodie. 9. For the active girlfriend, Fitbit Charge 5. 10. For the girlfriend with a sweet tooth, Baked by Melissa Cupcakes. 11. For the girlfriend who can't live without coffee, Takea Cold Brew Coffee Maker. 12. For the girlfriend who wants some extra layers, Free People Tunic. 13. For the girlfriend who just wants to relax, Gravity Weighted Blanket. 14. For the girlfriend who writes everything down, Feminist Agenda Notebook. 15. For the girlfriend who likes to treat herself, Parachute Bathrobe. Get the classic bathrobe at Parachute for $109. 16. For the girlfriend who could use a little help, Amazon Echo Show 5, 2nd Gen. 17. For the cozy loving girlfriend, UGG slippers. 18. For the girlfriend who wants to learn something new, Masterclass. 19. For the girlfriend who loves to travel, Away luggage. 20. For the girlfriend who's always taking pictures, Instax Mini. Get the Fujifilm Instax Mini 90 Neo Classic at Amazon for $169.95. 21. For the girlfriend who lives in athleisure, Kurayama Sneakers. 22. For the girlfriend who never misses a yoga class, Athleta Leggings. 23. For the girlfriend who loves getting flowers, The Books Company. Nothing will brighten your girlfriend's day or week quite like a beautiful bouquet of fresh flowers, which you can order from a flower delivery service like The Books Company. Not only are there plenty of gorgeous blooms to choose from, including wildflowers, roses and lilies, but you can even gift her a monthly subscription for a gift that truly keeps on giving. Get a subscription at Books starting at $40 per month. 24. For the one who wants a drone, Potensic T25 drone. 25. For the girlfriend who loves to rage, JBL Flip 5. 26. For the organized girlfriend, Stony Clover Lane travel bag. 27. For the girlfriend who needs a massage, Theragun. One of our staff members put the handheld massager to the test and liked that it was powerful, perfect for kneading out knots, and could get to even the hardest to reach spots. 28. For the girlfriend you want to impress, Kendra Scott earrings. 29. For the girlfriend who loves designer handbags, Michael Kors. 30. For the girlfriend who wants to rose all day, Corksicle wine tumbler. 31. For the girlfriend who throws the best dinner parties, a cheese board. 32. For the girlfriend who's also a plant parent, the Sill. 33. For the girlfriend that loves to document, Polaroid's high print pocket photo printer. 34. For the fashionable girlfriend, Spanx faux leather leggings. 35. For the sentimental girlfriend, Artifact Uprising photo book. 36. For the tech-obsessed girlfriend, Apple smartwatch. 37. For the girlfriend who walks everywhere, Hunter rain boots. If your girlfriend is trekking around in beaten-up sneakers or cheap galoshes, upgrade her footwear with a pair of these 100% waterproof boots. 38. For the girlfriend who likes to sleep in, Slip Silk pillowcase. 39. For the girlfriend who likes personalized everything, Kate Spade initial pendant necklace. 40. For the gamer, Oculus Quest 2. This VR headset is our favorite VR gaming headset and comes with speedy processors, easy setup and extremely reactive features to keep your giftee wholly immersed.